Sachin Tendulkar is widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. Born on April 24, 1973, in Mumbai, India, Tendulkar's journey in cricket is a testament to skill, dedication, and consistency. Tendulkar was introduced to cricket at a young age. His brother, Ajit, played a key role in encouraging him to pursue the sport. Sachin began his cricketing career at the age of 11, playing for the Mumbai under-15 team. His talent quickly became apparent, and he was soon mentored by the renowned coach Ramakant Achrekar. Sachin made his debut for Mumbai in 1988 at the age of 15, and soon after, he became a fixture in domestic cricket. His remarkable performances earned him a spot in the Indian national team. Tendulkar made his international debut for India in November 1989 against Pakistan in Karachi at just 16 years old. His early years were marked by ups and downs, but his potential was clear. He quickly became known for his aggressive batting, solid technique, and the ability to play both fast and spin bowling with equal ease. Sachin played in 463 one-day internationals, ODIs, scoring over 18,000 runs, including 49 centuries, making him the highest run scorer in ODI history. Tendulkar played 200 test matches, accumulating more than 15,000 runs with 51 centuries, both records that still stand today. One of the crowning achievements of his career came in 2011, when he helped lead India to its second Cricket World Cup title. This victory was especially sweet for Tendulkar, as it fulfilled his long-standing dream of winning a World Cup. Tendulkar became the first player to score 100 international centuries, a feat that cemented his legacy as one of the game's all-time greats. Tendulkar holds numerous records, including being the first player to score a double century in a one-day international, ODI, and the first to score 100 international centuries. He has received numerous accolades, including the Bharat Ratna India's highest civilian award, in 2014. He is the only cricketer to have been honored with this award. He was also the recipient of the Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri India's prestigious civilian honors. Sachin Tendulkar retired from one-day internationals in 2012 and played his final test match in November 2013 against West Indies at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, ending a glorious 24-year career. His retirement was marked by a grand farewell, as millions of fans around the world paid tribute to him. Since retiring from international cricket, Tendulkar has remained involved in the game, both as a mentor for the Mumbai Indians IPL team and in various philanthropic activities. He has also served as a Rajya Sabha member, contributing to social causes and governance. Sachin Tendulkar's legacy goes beyond records and statistics. He has been an inspiration to generations of cricketers, and his sportsmanship, discipline, and humility both on and off the field have made him a beloved figure. Known as the Master Blaster, his contributions to the sport have made him a global ambassador of cricket. Tendulkar's impact on cricket, as well as his ability to unite people across borders, has earned him recognition as one of the greatest sportspeople in history.